Hi, welcome back to 11 part. So this is designed 7 fringes, just like the example seen in the video. So I pick 5 beads. That is a size 6 pearls that I'm using. You pick 5 beads, then you add a seed bead or a rhinestone, whatever bead you want to use at the edge. Shift it to the back, then pass your thread down into all the beads. Yes, down into the fabric. Then you move to the next side to continue, just like that. That is the way you can do it. This is the first method. Then this is the second method of how to do the fringes. You notch and you end it that way, just that kind of notching I taught you previously. You pick 3 beads. I'm using a seed bead here, then adding 5 pearls for it. You can see how I'm doing this method of fringes. This is the second way I do my fringes. After I've done, I make sure I do several fringes down, so I'll be able to just start tacking it down. Please keep enough thread to use to tack down for the fringes you want to do. So you just notch it down just by there. I like my fringes sitting down properly and not being able to remove from the fabric, as you can see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Love you.